Get ready, tech lovers, because what I'm about to tell you about the upcoming OnePlus 15 will blow your mind. This phone isn't just another upgrade, it's a revolution that's set to shake the entire smartphone industry. Imagine a device so powerful that it feels like holding the future in your hands. That's the OnePlus 15 for you. OnePlus is coming back stronger than ever, with a phone that combines cutting-edge AI, stunning performance, and a design that will make every other flagship look outdated. So stay tuned till the end, because I've got a big surprise for those who watch till the final moment. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's dive right in. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, built on a 3nm process, making it one of the fastest and most efficient processors ever made. This means smoother multitasking, faster gaming, and an overall experience that feels buttery smooth, even under heavy loads. Paired with the upgraded OxygenOS 15 based on Android 16, this device uses next-generation AI integration that learns your habits, adjusts battery usage automatically, and even predicts what apps you'll open next. Speaking of battery, OnePlus 15 is bringing something truly next level, a massive 5,500 mAh battery with insane 150W fast charging, capable of taking you from 0 to 100% in just about 18 minutes. That's faster than brewing your morning coffee. The display? Oh, it's breathtaking. A 6.8-inch super fluid AMOLED panel with a 2K resolution and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate that delivers vivid colors and lifelike visuals. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or scrolling through social media, the experience feels absolutely immersive. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because this is where OnePlus is turning heads. The OnePlus 15 is expected to feature a triple camera setup with a 50MP Sony LYT 808 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. With AI-powered image optimization, this phone captures mind-blowing photos in any lighting condition, from bright daylight to pitch-dark nights. The front 32MP selfie camera also comes with advanced portrait AI, ensuring every selfie looks perfect without any filters. When it comes to performance, OnePlus 15 leaves no room for compromise. The combination of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage makes it faster than ever, while the improved vapor chamber cooling system ensures the phone stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. And here's where the suspense builds. Reports say that OnePlus might also launch a special AI edition of the OnePlus 15 with exclusive features like real-time translation, instant video summarization, and an on-device ChatGPT-like assistant. Now imagine that power right in your pocket. The expected launch date? Industry insiders suggest it could debut globally around March 2025, and trust me, this one's going to dominate headlines. But here's the twist. OnePlus is rumored to reveal a secret color variant or even a hidden feature during the launch event that no one expects. Could it be a transparent design? Could it be a built-in AI assistant that works offline? You'll have to wait and see. So, what do you think? Will the OnePlus 15 be the ultimate flagship killer of 2025? Let me know your thoughts, because this phone might just redefine the future of Android smartphones. And here's your surprise. For those who watch till the end, I'll be dropping an exclusive early leak about the OnePlus 15 Pro version in my next video, so don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.